All right, up next, it's Jackhammer time. All right, starting off the Jackhammer races, we're gonna have lane 1, Grumpy Cloud. Lane 2, Your Nightmare Racing. Alright, Grumpy Cloud with a total of 23.54. Your Nightmare Racing with a total of 22.92. Your winner, Your Nightmare Racing. Moving on. Up next, we're going to have Puff's Racing, driving the Jackhammer, driven by Puff, going up against Flying Donut, Diecast Racing. Alright, Puffs Racing with a total of 23.25. Flying Donut, 23.27. Winner will be Puff. Alright, up next we're going to have FPD's Jackhammer, driven by Cruz, going up against Chase Family Racing's Jackhammer. Alright, FPD with a total time of 22:16. Chase Family Racing with a total time of 22:51. Winner, Cruz. Alright, up next we're going to have Man-Child Motorsports Jackhammer, driven by Matt McDriver, going up against Hot Nuts Jackhammer, driven by Zippin' Zeke. Man-Child Motorsports ended up with 21.9. Hot Nuts, 23.5. Jackhammer moving on. Matt McDriver. Alright, up next we're going to have Blue Line Racing versus Elevation Diecast Racing. That's going to be that Jackhammer, driven by Dad. Alright, Blue Line Racing with a total of 21.59, elevation die cast at 23.31. Jackhammer moving on will be Blue Line Racing. Up next we're going to have Road Rage Racing against Milestone Diecast Racing. Milestone Racing with a total time of 22:33. Road Rage 23.11. Winning Jackhammer will be Milestone Racing. Moving on to the next round. Up next we're going to have Miniature Car Racing featuring Bolo Brown going up against Arlo Racing, driving that Jackhammer, driven by Arlo. Alright, with a total of 23.33 for Miniature Car Racing and 23.45 for Arlo Racing. Winner, Bolo Brown. The next two Jackhammers up will be Numbskull Racing, driver Numbskull, and Lily's Boneyard, driver Lily the Dog. Alright, that was a pretty close race. Numbskull Racing ended up with a 22.43. Lily's Boneyard with a 22.46. Jackhammer moving on will be Numbskull. Well, that concludes the first round of the Jackhammer Racing. Round 2 here at Haywood Valley Raceway coming up real soon.